Hello everybody, and this video is about my LMND SAY Questions for Q4 2023. Very excited for this quarter. I know as many of you other investors are. And I submitted my 3 questions. Obviously, there could be lots of other great questions we could ask, but please consider these ones, look through them, and upvote them if you think they're worthy of being asked. So here's what I submitted for my questions. First one was all about bundling. I really want to understand as much as we can. Hey, what is the natural bundling effect that Lemonade has currently? And then from that, we could be able to pretty accurately model, where they could be going, at least in the next year from their bundling. So this question, in Q2 2022, 21% of non-car sales were cross-sells or upsells. In Illinois with car, it reached 36%. That was from their Q2 2022 letter. What's the current cross-sell, upsell rate with car and without? So what's that rate with car, without, across the whole book of business? It'd be great to hear that. Also, at Investor Day, 3.7% of U.S. customers were multi-line. What's the current percentage? So also interesting to see, hey, what's their kind of book of business growth looking like? Are they single policy customer holders, or is there a lot of some adoption kind of rate growing? And we could even get a sense of what that multi-line adoption rate is growing at within the customer base. So really hope this one gets answered, because I think it could tell us a lot about their path to profitability, how they're growing. So that's that first question. Next one is about car rollout. And again, I started with in Q2 2022. I guess I'm the Q2 2022 guy. I was reading through that letter as well as others, but I said in Q2 2022, I asked about car rollout plans. You said you need to improve its loss ratio, and that was a SAY question that they did give a good answer to. And they said, you said we need to improve its loss ratios before we seek to grow it aggressively. Now, with car loss ratios improving, how aggressively will you expand this product? What percentage of in-force premium is car now, and what might it be in a year? So trying to get some specifics from them. I don't think we have that release, what IFP is for the whole book of business for car. So that would be a very interesting stat to have, just to even understand that's the size of this product in the whole book of business. So that's my second question. Third one is the Chewy deal. I pulled the wording though from Neil's list of questions, so you should check those out if you're looking for some other questions you might want to ask. But I said the Chewy deal has been live for some time, but there's been few updates. What can be shared at this point about this partnership? If results are promising, how many customers does the company expect to onboard over the next 2 years, assuming a fully rate adequate environment? We've heard just crickets over this Chewy deal, and we have no idea how it's really functioning. We also know that pet as a product has huge potential for Lemonade, that they could really dominate this product space, I feel like. So just sort of understanding from the Chewy deal, how's that been working? How's that been going? What are those customers like? So a third question there that you can consider upvoting. So these 3 questions, I will link all of them down below in the description. And I will be coming out with my Q4 video here soon. I am still working on it, but just haven't had a chance to finish it up yet. But that will be coming in the next, probably next few days. So thank you so much for watching. Remember, it's in the bag.